Di mo man pinlay. Okay na rin ko na.
Wait lang.
Mana go there? Mana way?
Pasa mo. Huwag mo ipasa. Tira mo. Ge, bakawin mo. Ge. Tinira nga. Ge lang. Sumaw. Pasa mo. Yan. Kalbo, tira mo. Pasa ka dyan. Bang bang. Oh.
2 points.
4-2. Tinira. Kapus. Rebound na.
Pinipinay ba ito?
Hindi. Check yan. Sala ulit. Ano ba yan? Yan, foul. Nakakuha ka tuloy ng foul. Yung dalawang photo. Anong sinasabi nitong dalawang photo? Wala ka dyan. Yung dalawang photo. Kaya nalang kita tatanungin. Basta yan. Yari. Yari na. Yari ulit.
Ano, ikaw na dyan, kaya
Pinasa.
Tira mo. Hindi pa tinira ng ayos yan. Okay. Pinasa doon. Pinasa na. Pagayon. Okay, diretso hey. No, sala. Yan, okay. Dalhe ang bola. Dalhe. Oh, itinira. Ano ka pag-aumis ng tira niya? Yo.
Number 9 plus na number 0 pinasa naman niya.
Pinasa.
Take number 1, nag-crossover.
Crossover. Ay, sala.
Number 2.
Kasi parang naghahagis lang ng niyog. Ay, Batangas yun.
Araw ba?
Sala. Sagong mata.
Number 8. Nag-dribble. Nasa number 0. Pull up for 3. 3 for good.
Dali ni Mr. Clean.
hindi baliktad.
Ito na number 8. Crossover. Ligaw, pero walang tawag. Number 8. Within. For 3. Good. The score is 8-2.
Stop time. Dahil yung bola. Stop time.
Penalty. Pinasa yun, no?
Okay.
Within. Layup is good. The score is 8-4. Good. 10 seconds. Number one.
Nice one.
Layup is good. The score is 10-4.
Time out. Ay, the ball is in play. Right there.
Number 11, pull up for 3. 3 is good. Number 8. Last one, number 0. No good. Rebound. Good number, number 2, number 6. Number 3, naghintay. Traveling, wala kang passport.
Time out ah. Time out.
Time out. Time out by free flow.
Pipili ko pa lang, di pa binibigay yung bola eh. Masyado kang atat eh. Uy, ang ganda nung move na yon, sayang. Nado.
Number 11, number 3, number 3. Layup is good.
Ready for sub ah. Sabi ko, ready for sub.
Number 0, nag-fake, pull up. Layup is good. Score is 12-9. Number 3, fake it. Pinasa.
Sinasa.
For rebound. Pinasa na. Nag-open. Layup is good.
Baka na agad. Hey! No dead ball mga. Sige, sorry coach ah. Sorry coach.
Rebound is good. Score is 12-14.
Okay, tumaw!
Number 11. Number 3, number 5. Number 5. Number 1. Pushing.
Sub!
Labas ang lalabas. Pasok ang papasok.
Mga hindi pa nakain, kumain na.
Tab.
Walkan! Oh, ang laki pre. Ang laki ng binabantayan. Mismatch. Ano? Puso lang katapat niya.
Number 5. Pass to number. Hindi ko lang makita. Number, sino ito? Meron ng 3. Wala.
Foul. White, number 0.
White. Number 0. Wow.
Bilis nito. Paras pa kami number 7. Ay, di si 7 nga pala.
Number 8. Number 3 on the ball. Pass to. Ganda ng pasa. Basket is good by number 91. 16-12 ang score natin. Defensive by number 5.
Malakas din pala itong hook. Oh, set.
Team foul, 3-1.
Okay. Shooter.
1 minute. 3-point is good.
Nakakatatlo na yun, ha? Yes, right.
Number 24, number set, number 13, intercepted. Nakonino, pinasa number 8. Number 8, dribble ang bola. Ang gandang bali, tumira ng 3. Laga-laga ng mga 3.
4 na 3 doon. 12 points na agad yun.
5 seconds. 3-point is good.
Laki na yung good.
Number 15, Pinasa kay number 91.
Uy! Paul!
Wow!
Wala talagang ano. Tamis! Tamis, pre!
May sandali lang. May 1988 naman.
Intercepted. Moving the ball. Pinasa number 5. Number 5. Pinasa number 14. Pinasa number 13. For 3. No good. Number 7. Number 7. Mali. Di nakita. 24. Pinasa number 23.
Uy!
No good. Rebound Nino. Still white ball, white number 15. No good.
Foul. Number 31.
Two shots.
Sino na kami sa akin? Set. Uy. Set.
First shot, no good.
Ha? Ano pa yung sarili? 22-19. Grabe, nag-full court
Score
press.
is 22-19.
Hanggang mag-full court press itong mga to. Bago.
Number 15, number 15. Pinasa kay number dito. Ang ganda ng
Uy!
fake.
Uy!
Uubra ka kaya. Pinasa kay number 15. Number 15.
Uy!
Floater. Wala pa rin.
Sa...
Inaagaw. Papasok na. Sumabay ka pa daw. Number 15. Number 15. 15.
Oh!
Number 15. Over to pass. Number 13. 24. Nagdadala ng bola. Score is 21-22. Number 91, pinasa number 15. 15, pull up.
Sab! Sab! Sab!
Ano yung si Coach yun?
Hindi yun.
Coach yun sa bata?
Hindi yan yun. Yan ba yun?
May yung sa ng coach sa mga bata.
Yan ba yun? Oo nga. Kala ko kamukha lang.
Ligo.
Kala ko kamukha lang yan pala yun.
Number 11. Paso number 17. 17. Vanessa spin move, pinasa. Number 3. 23. Moving the ball. Number 3. For 3. Yes, sir. Score is 22-24. Number 9. Fake. Went inside. No good. Pinasa number 9. Pull up. No good.
Kanta ka muna. Pag-usapan muna natin.
White ball.
Yung gabi.
Left sub.
Ikaw ang pahinga.
Out of bounds. Number 8, pinasa. Ang ganda sana. Nakuha. Sino pinasa? Number 9 naman.
Tinakbo lang.
Tinakbo. Number 11. 11 na crossover. Pinasa Nino. Dito makita yung number. Number 3. Number 3.
Uy!
Number 1. Number 1. Wala sa kanya ang ginto. Serve! Pass number 2. Pass number 11 for 3. No good. Follow up was good. Time out. Score is 22-26.
Uy!
Crossover, pinasok.
Yari. Ay, sayang.
Oh, tama na. Wala na. Number 3.
Ay, may laro nga pala. May laro Metrobox. Doon makikita yung JP Cat 3. Isang player ng Metrobox.
Pass to 99.
Pass to Ordinary.
99. Pass number for 3. Oh, number 3. Papasok. Ang galing mo, Idol! Score is 28-22. Number 9. Number 9.
Sinong player ng Singapore?
11.
Number 11.
Number 99. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Arabana. Number 17. Pass na lang 3 plus up. Pass up. Score is 30-22. Two points. 24-30. 17 plus 2, number 2, number 2, number 2. Basket is good.
Coach.
Number 8, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 99. And then pass number 8. Pinasok-pasok mo daw. Number 1. By Barban.
2 seconds.
2 seconds.
Yari.
Go. Number 2. Pass to number 3. Pass to number 3. Foul.
May kasama bang foul? Who's foul? Ito laging days. Pag-usapan muna natin iyong gabi. 11. Ikaw ang pahinga. Magkano lang ba? Hanggang 15 to. Until 15. Hanggang 15. 15. 5-5. Masok. Sala. Yung sala ulit.
Number 99.
Uy! Pumasok na.
The score is 24-32.
Uy,
Number
ayos
8.
yun ah.
Good na bale. Pass na 19. Bye-bye. Same ball.
8
8 seconds.
Lentil.
Number 99 plus to number 8. Number 8 fake. Ganda pasa. Number 1 plus to number 99. Shot clock. No good. Shot clock violation.
Yo!
20 seconds remaining.
Papa Raul!
No good. Number 8. 5 seconds. 2. No good.
O yan pa. Sana all babad. Babad sir. Start na. Oh, start na. Sana all babad sa laro.
Number 8. Making a play. Number paso. 24-24. Tumatakbo. Wala na nakahabol. Layup is good.
Over.
Score is 34-24.
Kudik. Makakalaban ba namin ng free throw? Laki!
Wow. 2 shots.
Mismatch, Ja Morant.
First basket, no good.
Nagmamadali.
Second shot, no good. Pass to number 0. Number 0 pass to number 8. Number 8 pinasa. 99, pull up. No good.
Wala si Arthur.
24. 24, di mo ba pinasa niya. Ang ganda na ito na. One shot.
13. 34-24.
24-36. Basket is good. Number 99. Foul. 2 shots.
No, because I focus here. Kaya. Oh, ordinary. Aba, kumanta ka na lang.
24, digging the ball, cross over 21, dalawa, pinasa. Number 0. Wow. Shot as well. First shot is good. 30-24. Second shot, yes sir. 39-24. Number 8, pinasa kay number 99. Natira pinasa sa labas for 3. Yes sir. Score is 27-39. Dead boy.
Ba yan?
Lagyan niyo daw talay ang bola niyo. Number 0. Pass to number 23. 23 pull up. No good. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 99. Natry pinasa kay number 9. Ang ganda ng mata mo. Number 8. Number 8. Nagawan. Crossover. Ang ganda pasa. Kaso na pasa sa kalaban. Layup is good. Score is 41-27.
Wala na.
Pull up, no good. Pass to number 0, to number 13. Number 13, pinasa rin number 0. Number 0, pinasa rin nito. Joke lang daw. Time out! Three-point is good. 44-27. Number 0. Number 0. Pinasa number 9. Number 9, bumali ka pa. Number 11. Pinasa number 2. Number 2. Dribble to pass to number 3. 3-point is good. Score is 27-47.
10 na.
Number 8. Number 8. Hindi makalabas. Pinasok niya. Pinasa pa. May kasamang foul. Number 13. 2 shots. Third foul.
13.
Third personal foul.
Ay, after nito sa baba ako, anliyosin na naman ako. Mas nagyos ka ba? Ha? Double upping.
Three-point is good.
Wala. GG, sir.
Number 8. Number 8. Nagano papasahan, pinasa ilalim. Nakuha, pinasa rin number 9. Number 8, tumira no good. Number 13. Ang ganda ng pasok mo. Layup is good. Score is 50.
Ah, pounded foul.
50-29. Warning for penalty. Basir is good. Score is 53-30. Number 13. Big Landau. Pass number 11. 11 making a play. For 3. No good. Score is 53-30. So number 2, crossover pass to number 17. Ang ganda ng pagka-flank. Score is 30-55. Number 9. There's a number 8. Number 8, step back. No good. Pinasa niya ulit. Isa pa daw. Pasok na.
Lima na trust.
Score is 33-55. 17. Bilat dito sa ere. Number 0. Pass to number 8.
Bigay nyo doon sa kalbo lagi. Kasi binibigay. Limang trust na yung kalbo. Bigay nyo ng bigay doon.
2 shots. First shot is good.
Pag sinap niya, masasapang ka.
Shoot! Score is 55-35. Number 11, pass to number 13. Number 2, pass to Sinto. Number 2. Number 2, pass to number 3. Number 3. 7, pushing.
Ay, time.
2 shots, 2 shots, 2 shots, 2 shots, 2 shots, 2 shots.
Penalty. Loading eh. Because of the side eh. Yeah, that's why loading first eh. Realize that.
Both teams. Score is 57-35. Number shot clock. Number 15. Number 15. Pinag-dribble niya. Same ball. 12 seconds. Number 0. Number 0. Outside. 4 seconds. And the third quarter. Number 14, basta na 15. Ang ganda ng bali mo, brother. 2 points. 57-37. 24. Pinapinas number 5. Number 5 pull up. No good. Pass number 15. Number 15. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Pass to number 0. 0 for 3. No good. Number 2. Bago number 2. Pass to number 0. Pass to 23. 23. 27, 22, 99. Wait lang daw, bigyan nila ng kampe. Five. 2 shots. Two shots. First shot, no good. One more. Second. Basket. Number 7, position number 15 for 3, no good. Number 5, position number 5 again, pumasok, hindi niya binasa. Number 2, pull up, basket is good. Score is 61-38. Number 7, position number 9. Number 5, dribbling the ball. Number 5, pinasok niya. Binali pa. Basket mo na yan. Arba, white ball.
No happy ah.
Number 0. Ah. 14. Pushing foul.
Talakas ng free throw na to ngayon. Wala na mga dating player eh. Wala na akong kalala dyan. Mga bagong player eh.
Number 0. Number 0, pass 24 for 3. Yes, sir. Score is 38-66. Pass number 2. Layup is good.
30 lamang.
Score is 38-16-8.
16-8. 68 yan.
Number 2, pull up. Sub.
Number 21. Ito, lamang na sila. Hindi pa rin papasok.
Number 15. Number 15, pass to number 1. Number 1. Pinasa number 19, nakagaw. Number 11. 11 pumapasok. 11. Basket is good. Score is 70-38.
70-38.
Basket is good. Number 3, pass to number 11. Again to number 3. Pass to number 3, pass to 11. Then pumasok. Number 3 for 3. No good.
Laki.
Number 3. Follow up is good. Score is 72-40. Number 1. Pushing.
17 ah.
Three fouls.
17 na ah. Okay already.
Number Number 3 going in. Pinasa na. Ang gandang pasa daw. $74-40. Up to 23. 23 dribbling the ball. Pasok na naman.
Ay, now going in.
Score is 76-40.
No, trouble lang.
For 3. Yes, sir. 79-40.
Sab!
Sub.
Mercy na yan eh. Pagkara yung dali. Mercy na yan. Natural na dapat siya.
Number 3. Number 11. Pass the ball to number 13. Number 13. No good. The ball number 0. Pass to number 15. 15 dribbling the ball. Crossover. Hindi ka nakapasok. Number 13.
Ni Mario.
Mario.
Nasaan daw?
Namitisyon daw niya siya. Nandito sa malaking lagi.
Ah!
Fourth personal foul. Number 13. Basket is good. 79-42. 55 seconds remaining. Number 19, rebound the ball. Number 15. Ayaw pa ang huli niyan. Ang gandang balik. Wait lang po. foul. 2 shots. Warning for penalty. First shot is not good. Basket is good. 79-43. 30 seconds remaining. Three-point shot is good. Number shot lang, ha?
Tabing.
5 seconds. End of the ball game.